Today I'm going to walk you through some of the core functions in Flask, one of the most popular web frameworks in Python. Whether you're building a simple web page or a full API, understanding these functions is key. Let's start at the very beginning with creating the Flask app. In Flask, the first thing you do is import the Flask class and create an app instance. Essentially, this single line sets up the foundation for your entire web application. Next, we need a way to define what happens when users visit certain URLs. This is where app.route comes in. Using this decorator, you can connect a URL to a specific function. Like here, when user visits /Flask run function home and display hello. This makes it easy to map URLs to functionality without a lot of boilerplate code. Once your routes are defined, you need to run the server so your app can respond to requests. That's done using app.run. Adding debug equals true is especially helpful during development because it automatically reloads your app when you make changes and shows detailed error messages. Now, building a web application isn't just about sending static messages. It's also about handling data from the client. Flask provides the request object for this. You can use it to access query parameters, form data, or even JSON payloads sent by the client. Once you have this data, you often need to send a response back, and Flask makes that simple with jsonify. This function converts Python dictionaries into JSON responses, which are commonly used in APIs. For building a more traditional web page with HTML, Flask provides render template. This lets you render an HTML file from a templates folder, making it easy to separate your backend logic from your front-end content. Sometimes you might want to redirect users to another page. Flask provides the redirect function for this, and when paired with URL4, you can safely generate URLs dynamically instead of hard-coding them. To put it all together, here's a quick example. In this snippet we have two routes. One for getting a user by name and one for creating a user with data sent in JSON format. Notice how request and jsonify work together to handle input and output, while app.run keeps everything alive. In summary, Flask provides a small but powerful set of functions that allow you to create your app with Flask, handle URLs and routes with app.route, read client input with request, send output with jsonify, and finally, run your server locally with app.run. Mastering these core functions gives you the foundation to build everything from simple web pages to complex APIs. Flask is lightweight, intuitive, and a fantastic starting point for any Python web developer.